Hello! I am Evil Chicken. And today, I am going to delete Chicken's YouTube channel. Ha 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 ha. Oh yeah. I need to go to school.
When he was late to the bus stop.
Oh my gosh! I can't believe I was late to the bus stop again. Not again! Wario? You also missed the bus? Yeah! Oh well. I guess we have to walk.
When they got to school.
Okay class, today we are going to take attendance.
Miss Green, can I go to the toilet?
Fine. But be quick.
When Evil Chicken got home.
Huh. That's weird. Chicken is not here. All right. The coast is clear. Let's do this.
Yes! My Plotagon video was a success. Oh well. Time to take a break.
Okay. Time to delete the YouTube channel.
When Evil Chicken deleted it. Okay. Time to check my YouTube channel. If I have to guess, then it would have been Evil Chicken. Evil Chicken, get your big butt down here now. Oh. G-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R. Evil Chicken. How dare you delete my YouTube channel? That's it. You're grounded for 846839272754711448937845920643925384 eternities. Go to your room now.
Ha 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 ha!